¿Cuál en realidad es la parte más importante de la resolución? Getting active. Onda para começar aqui com a Hansi. Nós temos a tendência de mais caliente para mostrar exatamente com a também para join the movement.
Recreación.
CrossFit A297 está atrayendo de 15 años por 82 años de edad de apenas 1 semana de existencia en un gym anexo en el Parque Plaza de Konging Supermarket, ofreciendo más con un buen workout.
A constantly varied, high-intensity functional movement workout, so it hits your neurological and hormonal points in your body. So it actually builds the inner to outer. So the benefits from actually working on with CrossFit in your inner is the benefit of looking good. But that's the least of what we are trying to do. We want to make sure that you're going to be functional at a later age. So for grandparents, grandmothers, in the case maybe at 80 years old, they'll be able to fend for themselves versus having help. So we have different levels from level 1, level 2, level 3, and then we have an elite level. Typically the classes are level 1 to level 2. That's where you start from the beginners all the way up into the advancement. If there's individuals that choose to actually excel and want to go into competing or just to be an elite athlete, we have programs that fit that as well.
Prometo começar o workout, Leroy De Vries analiza o estado físico.
We have a 3-day, a 5-day, and an unlimited. It's just for them to choose what's available for them.
Turma inta começando for di 6:30 e tura tardi for di 5:30 e taduna su guia.
The food is the most important part about it. So we definitely go through a nutritional guideline on what you need to eat, how you need to eat it. So it's not one of those strict-based diets. It's just measurable, repeatable, and observable type of way of eating.
E essa kita pa esunan kumester ba peso, pero tambe pa esna kumester di justamente duna nan curva e energia kuemester pa presta optimal.
Every day is something different. You typically don't do the same workout twice. You might do benchmark workouts where just one day you might do that, next month you'll do it again just to see where you're at from that month period of time.
Interesa? Nata situa anexo ne Parque Plaza de Konging Supermarket. Por subir na website crossfita297.com, na Facebook page ou llama Leroy na 733-2348.